we are with our Humps Optics ski goggles. Blue Mountain.
Go Humps!
Beautiful day out here today. Beautiful. Look at my humps. You got humps?
I got humps.
You got humps?
I got humps.
We got the humps! Woo!
Hump Optics ski goggles. Some of the best sunglasses and ski goggles in the world. Hump Optics. Man, these things are awesome. You want to try them, man? You want to? When I tried them on, I really want to try them. I guess I would try them on. You want to try them, man? You want to try? You really want to try them? I guess I would try. All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I'll try them on. Humps. Hump. All right. Wow. That's something else, let me tell you.
Loving my humps. Loving our Humps Optics ski goggles. There's Blue Mountain, and there we are with our Humps Optics ski goggles.
Go Humps!
Go!